Hey guys, today let's try to disable security delay in progress on iPhone. So on the latest iPhones with the latest versions of iOS, you could actually go ahead and disable the security delay in progress. Firstly, when you go on over on your settings, scroll to the Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode real quick. And once you scroll over to the bottom, you will see an option over there to access your stolen device protection. Now on my iPhone, I don't really have that option available since this is kind of outdated and has some problems with iOS. But basically, once you're done with accessing your stolen device protection, I want you to tap on that setting, which is going to be right below this option called require attention for Face ID. And then from there, you could go ahead and access to disable your security delay in progress. But basically, once you disable that security option, you will receive this option for you to wait for 1 hour and for the security delay to be successfully disabled. So you do need to wait for an hour, and in order for us to disable this security delay in progress, basically we need to wait until the progress is finished. So most likely we need to wait for an hour until that is going to be gone. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.